Good morning, children. Children, I am Sister Selma Morais, your grammar teacher. In your first class, you have learned lesson number 1, alphabetical order. And in that lesson, you have learned which alphabet comes after what. After A comes B, after B comes C, after C comes D, after D comes E, after E comes F, after F comes G, after G comes H, after H comes I, after I comes J, after J comes K, after K comes L, after L comes M, after M comes N, after N comes O, after O comes P, after P comes Q, after Q comes R, after R comes S, after S comes T, after T comes U, after U comes V, after V comes W, after W comes X, after X comes Y, after Y comes Z. So I request you children to revise your lesson number 1, alphabetical order. If you know this alphabets by heart, which letter comes after what, it will be easy for you to use the dictionary. Because in the dictionary, you get the words according to its meaning. If you know the alphabets, you will find it easy to find the meaning in the dictionary. Today, children, I am going to teach you the new lesson. Lesson number 2, sentences. Lesson number 2, sentences. Children say, repeat after me. Lesson number 2, sentences. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. Children, kindly repeat me. A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. What does this mean? For example, let us take 2 examples. Raj plays with the dog. Here is Raj and he plays with the dog. So it becomes a sentence. Let us look at the second sentence. The sky looks beautiful. So here is the sky and the sentence goes this way. The sky looks very beautiful. Children, kindly repeat the first sentence after me. Raj plays with the dog. Repeat loudly. Raj plays with the dog. Second sentence. The sky looks very beautiful. Yes, children, repeat aloud. The sky looks beautiful. So both this group of words make complete sentence. Therefore, these are called sentences. So children, once the group of words are put together and if it has a meaning, it is called as a sentence. Let us now move forward. So here are few of the examples, children, wherein I will show you if the words are just put like that, and if those words put together does not make any sense, then it is not a sentence. So for example, let's take the first word. Here you have the first word here. Sita cat has. What do you understand with this, children? What I have read you just now and what you can see Sita get a house. Does this sentence, what I have read, make a sense, or does it have a meaning? No, it does not have any meaning. Let us see the correct word. Sita has a cat. Can you understand anything, children, now? Yes. Now we can understand that Sita has a cat. This sentence gives us a proper meaning. It makes a sense. That is why it is called a sentence, a correct sentence. Let us see another example. Apple I love. What does this words put together tell us, children? Can you understand it? No, it is a wrong sentence. We cannot get any meaning from these words put together. So let us see the correct sentence. I love apple. This makes a correct sentence because it has a correct meaning. So, how you say if you love an apple? You say, I love an apple, or you say, I love to eat apple. Let's take the third example. Is come who? What? Can you understand anything with this? Is come who? No, it does not make any sense. Let's see the correct sentence. Who is come? Yes, you have to ask it correctly. Who is come? Who is comes means if you don't know, if you hear the sound or knock at your door, you ask, who is come? So that makes a correct sentence. If you say is come who, that is the wrong sentence. The correct sentence is who is come? So kindly repeat all these three sentences after me, children. Sita has a cat. Please repeat once again. Sita has a cat. I love apple. Once again, children. I love apple. Third sentence. Who is come? Say it again, children, aloud. Who is come? Very good. Here you have, children, pictures. You have here pictures. First picture is, it says, this is a frog. So children, look at the pictures and read the sentences aloud after me. This is a frog. Who is that one, children? Yes, it is a frog. So please repeat after me. This is a frog. Look at the next picture. Repeat after me. This is a cat. Say it again. This is a cat. Very good, children. Now look at the third picture. The girl is laughing. What that girl is doing? The girl is crying, is it? No. The girl is laughing. Yes, repeat after me, children. The girl is laughing. Very good. See the third picture. This is a drum. What it is, children? This is a drum. Yes. Children, what do you notice here? You notice that a sentence has more than one word. So you saw that it has not just one word but more than one word. Then you also saw that it had a meaning. So that what I read to you, children, did it had any meaning? Yes, it also has complete meaning. Then we always begin a sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop or question mark. So remember, children, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. Here, for example, I'll show you. See the first example. Ayan loves to play football. Okay, say this sentence after me, children. Ayan loves to play football. Yes. So, here Ayan, the letter A is capital. Letter A is written capital, and after football at the end there is a full stop. So, remember, children, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let us see the second example. Who has taken my pencil? Okay, repeat the sentence after me, children. Who has taken my pencil? Yes, here too we can see that letter W, alphabet W, is written capital, and we can see a question mark at the end. So with this we can say that this is a proper sentence. If the sentence is not written with capital letter and if there is no full stop, then the sentence is wrong, children. Always when you are writing a sentence, you must begin your sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So always remember, children, a sentence has more than one word. What? How many words a sentence should have? Yes, more than one word. If letters are put together and made a word, then it is called as a word. It is not called as a sentence. Once the words are put together, and if it is written with a capital letter at the beginning and a full stop or question mark at the end, then it is called a sentence. A sentence also has a complete meaning. If a sentence does not gives any meaning, it is not called as a sentence. It will be a wrong sentence. Children, let us now do some of the exercises. So you have exercise number 1. Arrange the following words to form sentences. Remember to start a sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Okay, children. So how the sentence must begin? With a capital letter and end it with a full stop. So here is the first sentence is there. Nia is my name mine. Nia is name mine. Does this make a sentence, children? No, it is a wrong sentence. So you have to write my name is Nia. And then you have to put a full stop. Okay, children, see the next sentence. Leave I Delhi in. It is a wrong sentence. Write it correctly. I live in Delhi. And then at the end you have to write a full stop. Then third sentence. Am 8 years old. It is a wrong sentence. You have to write I am 8 years old. And then you have to write the full stop. Then the fourth sentence, go to school I. It is a wrong sentence. Correct sentence is I go to school. Then, and then you have to write a full stop. Then, like I flowers. So correct sentence goes this way. I like flowers. And you have to write a full stop. Then last sentence, have I a nice school bag. What do you understand, children, with this? It's a wrong sentence. It does not give any meaning. The sentence does not start with H. There's no full stop. It is a wrong sentence. So you have to write, I have a nice school bag. So this sentence which I read to you makes a sense. It gives a correct meaning. The sentence is begun with capital I and it ends with a full stop. Okay, so this is the correct sentence. So kindly repeat all the sentences after me, children. My name is Nia. I live in Delhi. I am 8 years old. I go to school. I like flowers. I have a nice school bag. Very good. Now look at the second exercise, children. Exercise number 2. Here you have to match the columns. So in column A there are words and in column B there are words. They are all jumbled up. They are mixed. So you have to put them in order. So first one is we eat food. So first words over here they have written is a holiday. Can we eat holiday? No. So you can't put, it's not a proper sentence. Proper sentence is we eat food. So you have to put a line for the food. Then second sentence, I go to school. Then third sentence, I play football. Then you have, I write with a pen. Sunday is a holiday. I live with my family. Okay, children, you have to complete this. So here you have, children, read the conversation. First we have to read the conversation. So Ron says, what is your name? Anya says, my name is Anya. Ron says, how old are you? Anya says, I am 7 years old. Then Ron asks again, where do you live? Then Anya says, I live in Delhi. So you have here exercise number 3. Now answer these questions and write your answers in the given space. So you have to read this question. So first question is, what is your name? So in the conversation it is given, my name is Anya. So children, here you are given the questions and you have to write your name. For example, if your name is Roy, you have to write, my name is Roy. Okay, so like that you have to write, fill up. Then how old are you? Then you have to write how old you are. I am 8 years old or 9 years old. You have to write that way. Then where do you live? So you have to write here name of the place where you live. Then here you have to write, what is your mother's name? What is your mother's name, children? Yes, you have to write here, my mother's name is, you have to write, mention your mother's name. Then what is your father's name? You have to mention over here your father's name. My father's name is, okay, then. Do you have a pet? So at home, children, you may have dog, cat, or any other pet. So if you have a pet, we have to write here, yes, I have a pet. And if you don't have, you have to say, no, I don't have a pet. So here you have the activity, children. Read and write the sentences. One has been done for you here. First one has been done for you. Lions cannot run. So again it is written. Lions can run. Okay, children. Lions cannot run, it is given. So you have to write lions can run. So correct sentence you have to write. So penguins can fly. So can penguins fly, children? No. You have to write penguins cannot fly. Okay? Then snakes can jump. Can snake jump, children? Snakes can jump. Yes, children, can snake jump? You must say snakes cannot jump. Here, parrots can swim. What, children? Have you any time saw parrots in the water swimming? No, this is a wrong sentence. You must say parrots cannot swim. Put a full stop. Sorry, children, here you have to put full stop everywhere. Then, fish cannot swim. Is it correct, children? No. Fish can swim. So you have to write fish can swim. And put a full stop. Dogs cannot jump. It's a wrong sentence. Dogs can jump. Okay, children? Very good. Next activity you have here, children. The sentences given below are telling or asking something. Tick the correct box for each sentence. So first sentence it is there. Where there is asked a question, or if the sentence is just to tell, you have to see accordingly and put a correct. So first sentence is Jessica went to her mother's house yesterday. So is it a asking question or asking sentence? No, it is a telling sentence. So you must tick mark over here. Where this box is there, you have to tick mark. It is just told. It is not asked. There is no question mark. For asking, always at the end there will be a question mark. See the next sentence. What did you do on the weekend? So there is a question mark. It is called as asking. So you have to tick mark where there is asking. Next sentence. How did you go to the zoo? So there is question mark. Where the tick mark will come, children? Asking. Yes, it's not telling. Question mark is the asking. Then you have I like to play with the dog. So is it asking, children? No, it is telling. So you must tick mark over here. So with this, children, we finish with the lesson number 2, sentences. So children, I kindly request you all to do your exercises at home. Take your books and do exercise number 1, exercise number 2, exercise number 3, and here there are activities, activity A and activity B. So please complete your activities, children, your exercises, and study at home. Enjoy your studies and keep learning. Thank you, children.